Today I'm going to show you the new Real Wheels AirGuard Set and Go, an active tire pressure monitoring system. This is the easiest to use TPMS currently available. It features a stainless steel body construction and ultra bright LED technology. To begin, take the supplied rubber tester and insert it into the bottom of the AirGuard Set and Go. Next, take the unit and depress it onto your valve stem. It will flash, letting you know that it's functioning properly. Now, remove the rubber tester and simply thread on the AirGuard Set and Go. Make sure your tire is set at whatever PSI you would like, as it auto calibrates. In this case, you can see I'm at approximately 88 PSI. When I lose between 5 to 10 pounds of air, the unit will begin to flash. This lets you know that your tire is low. You would then unthread the cap, simply air your tire back up, and then rethread the cap back on. To recalibrate at a different PSI, remove the AirGuard Set and Go, adjust your tire pressure, and rethread the unit back on. You can see that I'm at approximately 66 pounds. To show the functionality, again, once you lose between 5 and 10 pounds of air, the unit will begin to flash. Once again, your tire is low. We also feature an anti-theft security locking system, which includes the locking nuts and security tools. To install these, you remove your AirGuard Set and Go, take the supplied anti-theft security nut, thread it onto the valve stem, and then rethread on or reinstall the AirGuard Set and Go. Next, reverse thread the locking nut until it bottoms out against the bottom of the AirGuard Set and Go, and take the supplied security tool and place it over both the Set and Go and the locking nut. And again, reverse thread until that is tight. This makes it virtually impossible to unthread the AirGuard Set and Go. Once again, to show functionality, once you lose between 5 and 10 pounds of air, the unit will begin to flash, letting you know that your tire is low. That is the new Real Wheels AirGuard Set and Go.